a tribute to Sister Virgin. Our beloved Sister Virgin, you are the greatest missionary we have ever met. Your vision still stands beyond the horizon of mankind. You liberated many from illiteracy to literacy and became the pioneer in the DMI Foundation Trust. Your zest for value-based education will surely light the flame of learning among millions of people. You were a mother to the poor and a mother to the needy, burned like a candle to the unwanted, the unloved, and the uncared. Oh, our beloved Sister Virgin, your deeds were the nearest things to heaven. Today, God has adorned you to be the spouse of Jesus. May you abide with angels in heaven for all eternity.